Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming project, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to check for a leap year in Python. Alright, so we're going to require the user to insert any year of his or her own choice, and then we'll go ahead and check if that year is a leap year or not. Let's go ahead and kick off immediately by creating integer variable of y, and let that be equal to int because it's an integer variable, and go ahead and impute. Let's go ahead and tell the user insert any year to check for leap year. So insert any year to check for leap year, and once user insert that number, you go ahead and check if the number the user inserts. All right, so let's go ahead and check if year modulus 4 is equivalent to 0. That means if you divide that year by 4 and the remainder is equal to 0, that means it's a leap year. Okay, let's go ahead and print out, and we're going to say this is a leap year. All right, else if the remainder is not equivalent to 0, else go ahead and print out and say this is not a leap year. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So I believe everything being equal, go ahead and check insert any year to check for a leap year. Let's go ahead and insert 2020, and this is a leap year. Alright, that is amazing. Let's go ahead and insert another number and check 2021, and this is not a leap year. So go ahead and insert more than numbers there and check out if you're really going to get a leap year or not, because I believe that this code is going to help you to work out anything you want. Okay, it's very straightforward, very simple, and easy to access. So check out more on that and practice. Please, if you have any question, go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.